Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the login failed on Fortnite. So if you're coming across this issue and it says login failed and then it gives you the options to either relaunch or quit, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to go ahead and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next command you want to type in is netsh space winsock, winsock, space reset, again exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and then restart your computer. And now hopefully at this point you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, we can attempt to reset our network settings back to default. If you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once we're done with what we're about to do, you're going to have to restart your computer and enter those credentials back in if you want to get back online. So with that said, let's go ahead and open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select network and internet on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. And then select underneath More Settings, select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes. And now at this point, go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your computer. And now hopefully at this point you should be good to go, and if you attempt to open up Fortnite and try and sign in, you should be able to get in successfully. Again, assuming that Fortnite is properly working and the servers are up and running. If you're still having a problem, you can always attempt to reinstall Fortnite as well, just as another option for you to consider. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.